For people that would like to have their gele on top their wig, this video is for you. And this style, you can use it in 2 patterns. It's very easy and quick to achieve. Let's get started. Hello everyone. Hello people. Welcome to my channel. This is Tech Beauty. This video, I want to show you how to achieve this quick and easy head wrap gele. How you can be able to achieve it on your head by yourself. And another thing, you know, we have many people that don't want to take off their wig. So this style is for you if you want to have your head wrap on top your wig. Most time, even me, if I have my wig on, I don't want to take it off. So I will just tie this tie on top. Okay, just focus. So this material, I divide it into 80, 20. So that smaller part is the 20. So my people, please just focus your eye. See the way I'm doing it. See, my hand is still inside. Then I just twist and twist. You twist and twist. Now you place it on your head. It's very easy to achieve. See the way I remove my hand first, so that my 5 finger will be available to handle the front proper. Okay, then you place it on top of your wig and just see the way I'm going to demonstrate it. This part is very important. You see that 20, I will bring it out from the other part. You see where my hand, so I will bring that small 20. I'm going to bring it out from the other part where my hand they inside. Just see. You see, so you can watch this video again and again to understand. Then now what I'm going to do now, I will drag it. And if you want to drag it, use the other hand to measure and assist. You see the way I'm pulling it up now. With this, the gele will be so firm. If you want to pull it, don't pull it to the other side. Pull it to the other side where the 20 came from. Drag it proper. Then you observe on you that the gele is very firm and tight. Okay, now you open the 20. This one is the 20. That smaller part is what we call 20. If you have short length, you can do this style. If you have long length, this length is short. This material is short. But if you have longer length, you have more rows. You have more material to create that rows for front. So once you just open it, you spread it out like this. Then just bring the 2 edge together. Bring the 2 edge together and use pin to pin that place. But if you want to pin there, don't use pin to pin the proper edge. As you can see, these rows have 2 edge. So take from inside and take from the other part, pin there together. You need pin. So you see the way I bring them together now. You bring them together, then you use pin to support that place. This style is very easy. So my next video, I'm going to drop how to achieve this same style without wearing wig. I will try to drop the video tomorrow, but just try and on your notification bell so that in case if I still drop the video, you will see how to do the same quick style without wearing wig, how to cover the back side of the hair. This style is very unique. You can use it when you are going to church. You can use it when you are going to events. It's very classic. You know, some people, they are used to only one particular style, like all these fan round. So maybe if you are going to church, you are going to events, you don't have anybody to help you. With this style, you are set to go. You are ready to go. Though the front part of this style is rose, but we achieve this rose in a different and in a easy way. This particular video is the easiest because this rose did not require like you start doing creative pleating at the front. No stress. This one, no stress. So just watch the video again and again. You will understand it. In case you don't like this style, I have many, in fact, all the styles on my YouTube channel. In case you are watching me from Facebook. In case you are watching me from Facebook, please, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have more than 400 videos on my YouTube channel. Different style, how to achieve it. Okay, thank you. So please follow me on my Facebook in case you are watching me from YouTube. My Facebook name is Tech Beauty, and I have 2 Facebook, Tech Beauty Live. I always do live on Facebook. Yes, and we have fun as well. Okay, my people, contact me. I base here in United Kingdom, London, in case you have events. Yes, this is the other part of it. You can take it off. You take it off, then you wear it back. Yes, I was waiting for this part. You wear it back. Yes, this is the second part of this style. You can use this particular style in different pattern. You understand? You can leave the rose at the back. You can leave the rose at the front, as you like it. Yes, sometimes you do something different and unique and classic. Thank you. As you can see, yes, I'm ready to rock. Ready to rock is very simple and easy. See you on my next video. Thank you. Don't forget to leave your comment for me. Bye.
Dead baby, what's up?
Gele, you're the crafty producer.
Woo, sha. Everyone need a space to glow. Yeah, and it's so obvious we got the space in our time. Yeah, that is why we've got Tech Beauty right here.